Hi Yellow 6 students, this is Shomura-Takata here, and I am going to be going over the last two slides of your Step Up to Writing Formative review slideshow assignment. And so, as the Bitmoji says, we're going to finish up our review. Okay, so first thing is that you're going to want to have out this Step Up to Writing Formative Planning slideshow assignment. Again, you should have had all the samples and then your practice. So we did the T-chart, we did the occasion position, and here's a sample of the occasion position, then here's your practice occasion position, then we did however topic sentence, the sample however topic sentence, your practice however topic sentence. We did, or you saw the sample transition page, then you practiced the transitions, and then you saw the sample ease, and then you practiced the ease, then you went through and wrote and saw a conclusion, sample conclusion. You did your conclusion. You saw how to do a hook or a lead, the blues. You saw Mrs. Kim's sample blues. Then you did your blues. So there's two slides left. So here is slide 20. And I want to go back between slide 19 and slide 20. So let me click on slide 19. Okay. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I'm not going to present it. I'm just going to zoom in. Okay, so do you see how you have all of these sections? They're all in order, okay? And if you look at Mrs. Kim's sample, hers is in order. So it is the period right before lunch and my stomach is rumbling. After my teacher dismisses us, I cannot wait to see what the cafeteria has prepared for lunch. I enjoy a lot of school lunches. Still, baked chicken has to be my all-time favorite. So these two sections are going to be an introductory paragraph. So we are going to go over how to turn this chart here into a 5-paragraph essay. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the first two boxes here, the blues and the introduction, the topic sentence, and you're going to turn these two into a single paragraph. So let me scroll to slide 20. If you look at slide 20, you look at the first paragraph, it says, "It is the period right before lunch and my stomach is rumbling. After my teacher dismisses us, I cannot wait to see what the cafeteria has prepared for lunch. I enjoy a lot of school lunches. Still, baked chicken has to be my all-time favorite." This is a single paragraph. Do you see how it's indented? Okay, now you look at the second paragraph. So this is the introductory paragraph. That's what we're going to call the introductory paragraph. Say it with me. Introductory paragraph. Okay. Next is body paragraph number 1. And body paragraph number 1 is made up of your first star idea, transition sentence, and the ease that go along with it. So let me repeat that. Your first body paragraph is made up of your transition star idea sentence and the ease that go along with it. So going back to Mrs. Kim's here. The next two boxes, transition sentence, star idea, 1, and the ease that go along with it become the second paragraph. Okay, to begin with, I love baked chicken for its crispy skin. Although I know that the chicken is not good for my health, I can't help myself. The skin is perfectly crispy with just the right amount of salt. I usually save the skin and eat it last. If you look at the sample essay here on slide 20, oh, sorry, I don't know what happened here. Done. Let's not do that. Okay, here we go. Body paragraph 1 reads, to begin with, I love baked chicken for its crispy skin. Although I know that the chicken skin is not good for my health, I can't help myself. The skin is perfectly crispy with just the right amount of salt. I usually save the skin and eat it last. This is body paragraph number 1. So we had the introductory paragraph, which is the actual first paragraph. Then we have body paragraph number 1, which is paragraph number 2. Next, we go to body paragraph number 2. Okay? Next, baked chicken is my favorite because of the juiciness of the meat. Remember the star idea number 2, juicy meat? When I pierce my fork into the chicken, I see all the yummy juices ooze out. The meat falls off the bone and it is very soft. Together with the rice, this school lunch always satisfies my hunger. So if we go back up to Mrs. Kim's, I paused it on accident. Go up to Mrs. Kim's slide here, sample slide. You look. The next two are body paragraph number 2, but paragraph number 3. So see, next, baked chicken is my favorite because of the juiciness of the meat. When I pierce my fork into the chicken, I see all the yummy juices ooze out. The meat falls off the bone and is very soft. Together with the rice, this school lunch always satisfies my hunger. Okay? Then we're going to look at the third body paragraph. Body paragraph 3 is your star idea 3, but it is your 4th total paragraph. You see? Because we had the introduction paragraph, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and body paragraph 3. So it is 4 paragraphs total so far. But I need you to know the names of the different paragraphs. So in body paragraph 3, this one here, it reads, finally, baked chicken is the best lunch ever since it's always served with a warm roll. Do you remember that our star idea number 3 is about the roll? And these are the E's that go along with that star idea. The roll is always soft, and if I get to lunch early enough, it is also warm. It fills me up quickly, so I make sure I eat my baked chicken first. I wish these rolls were served with every school lunch. So if we go back up to Mrs. Kim's sample here, we have star idea 3 with the E's. Finally, baked chicken is the best lunch ever since it is always served with a warm roll. And this should sound familiar. The roll is always soft, and if I get to lunch early enough, it is also warm. It fills me up quickly, so I make sure I eat my baked chicken first. I wish these rolls were served with every school lunch. So this star idea transition sentence and the E's that go with that one, the third one, make body paragraph 3. Now, we are up to total of 4 paragraphs, right? Introduction paragraph, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, body paragraph 3. We have 2 more boxes here. We have the conclusion and the ending hook. Now, we are going to write it in this order. So, that's the beauty of this graphic organizer, is that when you fill it out, it's really easy to just put it together because you go in that order. You don't need to jump around anymore. It's organized. So your 5th paragraph is your concluding paragraph. And that is going to be made up of your conclusion and your blue ending hook. So, although there are many lunches that I am fond of, baked chicken outshines them all. And then here's the final hook. After my tummy is well fed and satisfied, I'm ready to hit the books again and dream of what I'll be doing after school. Okay, I forgot I needed to add here. I hope it will be a lot of fun. There we go. I gotta add that to that because we need it to be 2 sentences, right? So when you get yours, you'll see that it has 2 sentences. Okay, so then when you look at the final product here, the final writing on slide 20, although there are many lunches that I am fond of, baked chicken outshines them all after my tummy is well fed. Oh, sorry. And I'm satisfied. I'm ready to hit the books again and dream of what I'll be doing after school. I hope it will be a lot of fun. Okay. So now, I showed you how to put it together, and what your assignment is for the weekend is to take your slide 19, which is about your favorite all-time food, and turn this chart here into a final writing here. And you'll click in here, and it's kind of already formatted for you. So just try to type it out. I have the font set already. If you can highlight it, go ahead and highlight it. If you can't, you can't. What can I say? But make sure that you have 5 paragraphs, okay? So that it looks like this. Now, to get it to indent, I'm not sure if you know, but what you do is you click, I'm going to hold my keyboard up, you click the tab button to make it indent. So on your first line, you will click tab, and I'm going to do it right now, and you'll see it move in. Bam. And then you start typing your introductory paragraph with your hook and your topic sentence. And then you will type. And then when you get to the end of your introductory paragraph, you will press the return key or enter. And then it will take you to the next line. And then you will press that tab key to indent your paragraph too. And then you will type. When you get to the end, have your ending punctuation. You're ready to go on to body paragraph number 2, which is your 3rd paragraph. You click the return button. Go to the next line. Then you press the tab button again, and it will indent. Type. When you get to the end of the 3rd paragraph, press the return, and then indent again. Okay? So what you might want to actually do is also make a space in between each paragraph. Like I think I went from here. I pressed return twice. Bam, bam, twice. And then it made that extra space right here. Okay? So your assignment this weekend, because this is now going to be your final formative that I'm going to be grading you on, that your language arts teachers are going to be grading you on for Step Up to Writing. You're going to turn in this whole slideshow, and you are going to get a grade for it as well. That grade will be your formative grade. So I want to remind you to complete all of the slides that say practice on it. Okay? Because if you leave some blank, that is part of the writing process that you are missing. So your grade for this formative will drop. If you just decide you're just going to write the last slide 21 and you don't do any of the planning, then your grade is going to suffer. Okay, so I'm just telling you in advance. So if you are behind on some of these other slides, then you have the whole entire weekend to work on it to catch up. Okay? All right. I'm done for now. Remember, again, this is a video. If I was going too fast, pause it, rewind, watch again. If you have to do that a few times to understand, try it. If you still don't understand, then you need to contact your teacher, which means you come to their office hour, you email them, you Google Voice or text them, okay? So you have many ways of getting in touch with your teachers. So please use them. All right, we know you can do this. Go get them. See you. Bye.